What's going on, everybody? Justin here. I am in Belmont Shore, Long Beach, California, at a fantastic listing of Leanne Canaday at the Canaday Group. $1,250,000. What do you get in Southern California for $1,250,000? That's a single-family residence. That's not a mobile home on leased land. It's not a condo with a $900 HOA. This is a single-family residence with amazing upside. You see the houses that are listed around here for $2.5 million, $3.5 million. You got this huge lot right here. This is a teardown for sure for a builder, a rehabber, or an investor, or this is something for a young couple that wants to get into the market in this area and build some equity, or somebody that's old that kind of wants to downsize but still wants to be where it's happening. So let's go today, check out this property and see if you guys like it. Here with an amazing agent, AJ, with the Canaday Group. Hey, I think we sold this house already, but you know what? It's never done till it's done. Something like this, $1 million loan amount, $1,089,000 with about $170,000 down would get you a loan and down and closing costs. Maybe another point and a half or two would get you the 2-1 buy down, which would get you from say a par rate was 7.5%. It would get you 5.5% on year one and 6.5% on year two and 7.5% from years 3 to 30. But hopefully everybody's going to be refinancing by that time. Or you could just do a recast. If you're interested in hearing about recast, I got you. Justin in Corona Del Mar, California. 3242 East Coast Highway, CDM for the locals. California, Texas, Tennessee, Louisiana, Georgia, Florida, Texas, Oklahoma, and what's the other one? Oklahoma and Alabama very soon. Again, Justin with JK Mortgage. Happy Sunday. Let's go. My name is Justin with JK Mortgage. I am out today in Belmont Shore. It's actually Long Beach, California, but basically Belmont Shore. These neighborhoods are so cool around here. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to JK Mortgage here on YouTube, or follow me on Instagram at JK Mortgage as well. And look out for Kautze House Media as well. You can find it on my Instagram, JK Mortgage. This is an old fixer built in the 30s, I believe. Thank you, Leanne and Krista Canaday from REMAX Fine Homes, for allowing me to sit this open house on this fine Sunday. This is definitely a fixer-upper, but I mean, incredible value here. Look at, for $1,250,000 in LA County. I mean, by the water, where are you going to get something like this? Either somebody's going to tear it down, or it sounds like these people that were here today are going to buy it for their 2 sons to kind of do a remodel on while they remodel their house, and then the sons can live in it. But big backyard here, laundry room over here on this garage, and this is cool, man. What a cool place. Happy to be out working this Sunday. It's time to work, man. Somebody said, "What are you doing this weekend, Justin?" I said, "It's time to work, man. Let's go." So I'll take you through the house real quick. I'll switch it around. Little table could go here. I'll pop it back so you can see. Little table could go there. This is your little kitchen here. This is, you know, LA County, first-time home buyer. This type of home. I was telling someone that this property in Corona Del Mar would probably be, 3.9 or 3.5 or 3.4. I'll have to ask Casey. Yeah, this is what it is. This is Appian Way. Incredible value here. You could do whatever you want with this big lot. So you can see how big the lot is. Let me show you real quick. Here's the back area. This is like where you have your barbecue and your table and your chairs, and it's got nice side area here. You know, that could be turf or grass. And then look at this out here. And you've got a corner lot with this gate. You could have dogs. Gate here, going to the front, and I just love it. This is how beautiful the neighborhood here is in Long Beach. Coldwell Banker, Global Luxury. Beautiful old, it's a Tudor style. Let's see, how much is it? Belmont Park. I want one. $1,950,950. $344. So let's get back to our house we're trying to sell over here. I can tell you I would not be complaining about living in Long Beach for the price here. It's really, really amazing value. Look at the cool colors on that house. The door, a lot of pride of ownership here, and love Long Beach. So we might have an offer today. I'm gonna go back and work up some fee sheets for a loan for some people, and they seem very interested. So like I said, happy to be out here above ground, breathing air, working with an awesome real estate group called the Canaday Group. Leanne's a legend. Basically been doing her listings on TV since the 90s, and she doesn't stop. She's in Newport Beach, Corona del Mar, Laguna Beach, and San Juan, where a lot of big listings that she does down there. So very knowledgeable, and just blessed to be working with her and her team, and teaching an amazing class for them on Tuesday, which is exciting. And let's wrap this up, and I will see if I've got anything else for you guys today. But Sunday afternoon, October, beautiful. A lot of people are drinking and watching football. JK is hammering the open houses. Let's go.